Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to share with you my review of a language learning platform that I've been trying out for a while, Lingopie. Now, if you're learning French or any other language really, Lingopie might just be the tool you need to make that process both fun and effective. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and drop a comment below. I would love to hear about your experiences with Lingopie. So let's jump into my experience with this platform, explore its features and see if it's worth your time and money. So what exactly is Lingopie? In simple terms, it's a video-on-demand platform designed specifically for language learners. Think of it as Netflix meets language learning. After you sign up and select your target language, you're greeted with a dashboard that looks a lot like Netflix. You've got categories, genres, and recommendations tailored just for you. The key difference? Every show and movie on Lingopie comes with subtitles in both your target language and your native language. But Lingopie isn't just about watching TV. It's packed with features that are designed to help you actively learn while you watch. Let me show you some of my favorites. By the way, since we're here to learn French, I'll mainly be showing examples related to learning French. However, it's worth noting that Lingopie offers the possibility to learn 9 different languages, so you can apply these features to whichever language you're interested in. First, the subtitles. You can toggle between English and French subtitles at any time or even have both on simultaneously. What's great is that the subtitles aren't just word-for-word translations. They're contextually accurate, which makes understanding the content so much easier. Plus, you can click on any word in the subtitles to get a definition and automatically create a flashcard for later review. This is a feature I found really useful for picking up new vocabulary. Now, one thing that really surprised me about Lingopie is how interactive it is. For example, there's a speech recognition tool that lets you practice your pronunciation. You can pause a scene, repeat what the character said, and get instant feedback on how close your pronunciation is. Let me show you. So I'm watching a TV show and I want to work on my pronunciation. I want to practice this sentence. I have to click on the microphone and then I can practice and check if my pronunciation is good enough. Voilà. Et ensuite, plus rien. And then I go back to watch. Another example of the pronunciation features with a longer sentence that is much more difficult to pronounce in French. Parce qu'il est mielleux du coup en ce moment. And I can go back to watch. Lingopie also allows you to create interactive flashcards as you watch. These aren't your typical flashcard, they're video-based, meaning you can review the exact clip where the word or phrase was used. This context really helps with retention, making it easier to recall the word later in real-life conversations. Lingopie further enhances your learning by generating quizzes from the flashcard you create. These quizzes are designed to test your understanding and reinforce what you've learned, making your language learning experience even more effective. By regularly taking these quizzes, you can ensure that the vocabulary and phrases you've picked up are truly solidified in your memory, helping you to progress more efficiently in your language journey. One of the strongest reasons to use Lingopie regularly is its impact on long-term language learning. Immersion in authentic content like TV shows and movies is a highly effective way to learn. By engaging your French through Lingopie, you're not just learning isolated vocabulary or grammar, you are experiencing the language as it's naturally spoken. This kind of exposure helps you grasp nuances, idiomatic expressions, and cultural references while also improving pronunciation and listening skills through real-world context. Studies show that learning through media strengthens memory, making it easier to recall and use the language in conversations. By seeing and hearing French in various situations, you're preparing for real-life interactions, gaining insights that go beyond textbooks. Now, while I really enjoy using Lingopie, there are areas where it could improve. For beginners, the experience can be a bit challenging due to the absence of a structured curriculum. It's more of an immersive dive right into the language, which can be exciting but might feel overwhelming if you're just starting out. Additionally, while the content library offers a good selection, there's potential to expand it further, especially for languages that are less commonly studied. However, if you're someone who already has a basic understanding of French or any other language offered, Lingopie can be a fantastic tool. It's especially great if you love binge-watching shows and want to turn that habit into something productive. Plus, for polyglots out there, Lingopie lets you switch between multiple languages seamlessly. So, would I recommend Lingopie? Absolutely. It's perfect for intermediate and advanced learners who are looking for a fun way to practice listening and comprehensive skills. The price is also very reasonable, especially considering you get access to all the languages they offer for about $6 a month if you choose for the annual plan. But if you're a beginner or prefer a more structured learning path, you might want to pair it with a more traditional language course. Overall, Lingopie offers a unique and enjoyable way to immerse yourself in a new language. It's not a standalone solution, but it's a great addition to your language learning toolkit. If you're curious, they offer a 7-day free trial so you can see for yourself if it's the right fit for you. Moreover, Lingopie offers a 70% discount on their lifetime subscription. If you decide to subscribe, just use the link in my description and pinned comment, so be sure to check that out. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, happy learning. Bye bye.